Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add group on ClickUp. So this is really simple. First thing you will have to do is go to the left top corner where you can see your workspace name and click on this drop down icon. Once you're there, it will open up this window where it says settings with this gear icon, so click on that and then it will show you all settings. You have to go over here to teams, and basically groups on ClickUp are named teams. So you have to click on create a team and then choose a descriptive name of your team. So let's say workforce, and then press save. As you can see, this group has been created and I can add members to it just by clicking right here or create a new team right here. It is really simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.